How to make a page private and password protected in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a privacy to your pages on Squarespace. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account and choose the website that we want to add that layer of privacy to it. Basically, when you have chosen the website, you're going to find the, as you can see here, the element of the website. You're going to be on the home page, select the website, click on pages and select the page that you want to input the privacy for. So as you can see here, I have a page. This method is going to be only for real pages, not for links or something else. So for this page, I'm going to see if the blog is going to be, yes, the page of the blogs is going to be something like that and everything. So now, as you can see, we can go ahead and select the page or the blog or whatever. As you can see here, page, we're going to click on the tools for it or the gear icon or the glog here. And on the general settings, we're going to head over here and we're going to put here password. So we are going to password protect this page. I'm going to put a password here and we're going to save it. This page is going to be password protected. As you can see, password protected. That means that it is going to be private. It is going to be showing here, but it is going to be private. When you click on it, if you're going to be an outsider from the website, that means that you're not going to be the admin. It is going to be showing as private. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.